Hey, it's Khadijah, the CEO and founder of Hennasooq. Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we talk all about henna hair color and Ayurvedic healthy hair care. We find the right Ayurvedic herbs that work for you, your hair focus, your hair goals, for all hair textures and hair types. Every Thursday, you know we usually bring you Ask Hennasooq, but we are changing it up for October because we got these amazing hair and beauty boxes for you. And this week, we're going to be talking to you about the sweet honey box that your hair is going to devour. Using raw natural honey, pure Ayurvedic herbs, and essential oils. No fragrant oils, no artificial scents, no garbage, no crap, none of that. Just good, wholesome ingredients that your hair is going to love. So if you've missed, we've talked about 2 of these great boxes already. You can watch the videos that we have. It's about the Ayurvedic hair growth bundle, and we also have the henna moisture rich bundle. And this one is our highly moisturizing bundle, the Sweet Honey Regimen. Yes, you've got your deep conditioning Sweet Honey Gloss Bar, another rich deep conditioner, #1 bestseller. It's like, this one is so good. Sweet Honey Hair Nourisher, oof, infused with lemongrass and cassia. And for those of you who are suffering from like finer hair strands, breakage, thinning hair, oof, I got something for you. The Zizyphus Powder. Yes. This is a key herb to getting your hair naturally to be fuller, richer, thicker, without feeling like heavy and crunchy. Oh, this herb alone is just floofy. Yes, I said it, floofy. So these 3 together, I chose these together on purpose because I just love the way they work together. I mean, you can add a little bit of Zizyphus to the henna gloss bar, and oh, the videos that we got for you. Some amazing influencers showing you how to use these boxes the way that they found work best for them. You can find those in the shorts every Tuesday on YouTube, and also on our Instagram page, right at Hennasooq. So many of those great videos showing you exactly how to use these products, so that way you can have a really successful wash day and reach all of your goals, because this is focusing on getting rid of that thin, fragile hair, moisturizing, and just adding that uplift, that volume to your hair, that fullness, without feeling crunchy, heavy, and dead and dull. This is a great combination. You could use, like I mentioned, these together and then do an extra deep conditioning treatment just with the Sweet Honey Hair Nourisher. That would be a perfect wash day. This bundle is $33 usually when you buy everything alone, but the special price that we have for you is $24.99. So grab your Sweet Honey Hair Bundle right on our website. The link will be in the description below, so you can scoop that right up before it sells out. This is another one that goes very fast. It's usually gone very quickly, so definitely scoop this up. Did you know that honey is a natural humectant? It just draws in the moisture. So having honey as part of your hair regimen, yes, it works very well to draw in moisture, especially if you're somewhere dry, going through the changes of weather with the fall and winter. There's not that much moisture in the air. So when you want to pull in that moisture as much as you can, these products will help because of that honey. So what are you looking most forward to when it comes to the Sweet Honey Bundle? Let me know in the comments below. And tell me, what is your favorite product or favorite way to use this? I want to hear from you all about these amazing boxes and products that you guys love so much, because your feedback is so valuable. It makes everything, because we hear and we listen to you, and that's the foundation, part of what makes Hennasooq what it is today. So don't forget, you gotta hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, because you don't want to miss any of our videos. We have videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday, and you don't want to miss any of them. And I will see you next time. Bye.